Okay, the water temperature is 70 degrees now. Turn off the engine oil. Okay, there's an oil drain screw inside. Remove the built-in oil drain screw. Be careful when dismantling. Okay, put it in Russia to wash and rinse. Oddskill. Shit. Kill all. Help the car off and leave some more oil out. Finished oiling. Stillert. 3 barrels. 7 filter K160. And the original air filter. BMW. Original brake fluid. Okay, take a picture of the owner. Go and pour some oil into it first. A layer of oil must be applied to the sealing ring. Machine filter for 11 seconds. Okay. That little oil drain screw. 89. Good Russian gasket. It's okay, you have to replace it with a new one. This is his old one. $25 cattle. Cleaning agent. Add to mouthfuls first. Add to buckets to make a fire. A lot of people ask me why this car. Add 2 barrels of oil to it and start a fire. Because it's a double sump. Double oil pan, you can add 3 barrels directly into it. We'll silt out of this oil. So you can't add 3 barrels at one time. Only first. 2 buckets go in to make a fire and add another bucket. Also at home. 750,850,900. The chance of changing the oil is just right after adding all 3 barrels. One call here. Okay, buckle this slate open. Blow Zhonghui. Get some foam cleaner. So what is only? Girl? Finally took it apart. He only ran 14,000 kilometers in this airspace. Not particularly dirty. Then the customer means to replace it directly. Then change it. It has a BMW logo on it. 6 points must be fastened. Buckle it up and press it with your hand. Okay, fasten. Manage your own achievements. Cover the screws and take them with you. Then just take it lightly with a stun gun. Okay. Brake fluid. Open the brake fluid cover first. Break this. Poke 2 eyes on the oil and aluminum seal for easy operation. A clean wash. An oil drain. It's not easy to poke 2 eyes. Pour the brake fluid outside. Then spread a towel. The purpose of laying towels is to prevent brake oil from flowing to the car shell. On the car paint. The most serious paint corrosion of brake oil is particularly serious. Very powerful. Never use brake fluid. Drip on plastic parts or on cars and paint. It will corrode. Put this lid. And the rubber pad inside must be wiped clean. This one is full of moisture. Because brake fluid sucks moisture out of the air. Your brakes don't work. Brakes are weak. The water content in the brake fluid is too high. You know. It's oil and water. Wipe clean. Put this spare. Then wipe the oil off the oil can as well. To prevent it from dripping on the car. Take out the oil pump. First drain the oil in the oil cup. Refuel from above. Oil pumping below. Same thing on the left. Okay, spray it and eat it. Then don't you want to be rude? Back and forth, don't you want to be rude? Okay, I use the calipers on the right ear myself. The operation is still tight for you. Still more recently. Deflate and release okay. Just make sure there are no bubbles. Tianjin Petroleum. Banana shop, send it back. Plastic cover. Icon lid. Screw. Spray some more liquid. Wipe the oil mark on the lid. Okay. Rear brake. Take out the oil can. This brake fluid has deteriorated. It's already dark. Put the oil cold. Deduct. Wipe the inside clean. Clean up with oil can. In order to show you intuitively, let me dismantle this refrigerator. The refrigerator is dismantled. Put it on a rubber pad. The pores for the card are here. Wipe this rubber cushion clean first. The rubber cushion is full of water. Is this phenomenon normal? Brake fluid. It is normal to change the oil and water every 2 years, 20,000 kilometers. You just count by the kilometer. 20,000 2 years to change the brake fluid. Okay. Add new brake fluid. The new brake fluid color will come up after a scratch. Buckle it up and take a look. Start pumping. From here, see you here. Okay, almost there. Off valve. Step on it first. Right hand pedal. Open left hand. Press your right hand to your left hand. Press to the bottom. Put. Okay, hill situation. Put on the air cap. Add the water separation oil to the position above the midline. Okay. Put the rubber cap on first. Plastic cover. It's okay. Look at the new brakes. Maintenance tips. Cut it. Every time I give you a maintenance tip, he defaults to 10,000 kilometers. But I suggest you, they should not exceed 8,000 kilometers at most. Easy to use, computer-controlled ABS pump. To revent his brakes. Rear brake same operation. The computer controls the ABS pump to exhaust him. Okay. Remove the booster ignition. Diagnose again. Is there anything wrong with the car? Okay, there is no fault. Get the seat cushion and put it back. It's pressing the C. 1 to 0.5. The rear tire. Have some. Okay. To 0.9. Check the brake pads. Front brake pads are okay. Rear brake pads are okay. Noodles are okay. There is no deformation of the wheel hub. Infinite suction, aisle. No oil seepage with bottom case. Many people will be curious. Why do you change the oil every time? After that, there will be smoke under the engine. This is normal. Because when you take the chance, there is a chance that other oil will drip on the exhaust pipe. No matter how clean you wash it, it will smoke. He offered to burn this thing for a while. This cigarette will stop coming out. Okay brothers, this video is here. Thanks for watching. I mean, get off work.